Today, I am reviewing the eufy Robot Vacuum Omni C20. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a truly hands-free cleaning experience, the eufy Robot Vacuum Omni C20 is a game changer. This all-in-one robot vacuum and mop combo is designed to take the hassle out of daily cleaning with features that elevate it beyond traditional robotic cleaners. One of the most impressive aspects is its all-in-one station. With fully automated functions like auto-emptying, mop washing, and drying, maintenance becomes almost effortless. The Omni C20 even dries the mop using room temperature air and has transparent water tanks, making it easy to monitor water levels without opening them, a small but incredibly convenient detail. Cleaning performance is where this vacuum truly shines. With 7,000 pascals of powerful suction, a rolling brush, and a side brush, it easily picks up dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and other debris on all floor types, from hardwood to tile, and even carpets. The addition of Mop Master Technology means it doesn't just vacuum, it also scrubs with 180 rotations per minute and 6 N of pressure, tackling stubborn stains effortlessly. Combined with dual sweeping and mopping modules, the Omni C20 maximizes cleaning efficiency by performing multiple tasks simultaneously, saving you time and effort. Another standout feature is its ultra-slim 3.35-inch design. This allows the vacuum to reach tight spaces under beds, sofas, and desks, where dust and pet hair often accumulate. Many robotic vacuums struggle with low-profile furniture, but the Omni C20 fits neatly into these spaces and provides a more thorough clean, reducing the need for manual intervention. Additionally, the Pro-Detangle Comb works in tandem with the roller brush, flipping down to loosen and remove tangled hair, which keeps the vacuum performing at its best while minimizing maintenance time. The battery life is also impressive, offering up to 132 minutes of runtime, which is more than enough to cover medium to large homes in a single charge. Once the battery runs low, the Omni C20 returns to its all-in-one station automatically, resuming cleaning after recharging. It is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri, giving you voice control options for ultimate convenience. You can also control the vacuum through its dedicated app, scheduling cleanings, adjusting modes, and monitoring the cleaning process in real time. For households with pets, this robot is particularly beneficial. Its strong suction, mop functionality, and hair detangling system ensure that pet hair and dander are effectively captured. The low-noise operation makes it unobtrusive, so you can run it during work hours, while sleeping, or even during family time without disruption. Overall, the eufy Robot Vacuum Omni C20 offers an exceptional combination of suction power, automated cleaning, smart navigation, and user-friendly features. It is designed for anyone seeking a hands-free, thorough, and efficient cleaning solution. Whether you're tackling pet hair, everyday dust, or sticky spills, this robotic vacuum is equipped to make your home cleaner with minimal effort. With its high ratings, advanced technology, and thoughtful design, the Omni C20 stands out as a top choice in modern robotic cleaning solutions, redefining convenience in home care.